we need to calibrate the pH sensors immediately. The first potato samples are ready for processing.
The resistivity readings are starting to drop here.
All right, maintain course and push harder.
Aquifer pressure is stable at 50 psi.
And the soil samples are showing good potassium levels down to 300 meters.
We hit it! Keep drilling! Hard!
Lower it slowly, watch the connection point.
A little more to the left, Ali.
All right, hold it there while we secure the bolts.
Access to clean groundwater is essential for making potato farming possible in this harsh environment.
This main pipeline connects directly to the new well site.
And these branches cover the first 200 hectares designated for the potatoes.
The ventilation seems adequate.
Yes, minimal sprouting on this batch. We can certify these for immediate shipment.
Are the irrigation lines ready?
Yes, we can start placing the seedlings now.
The machine is performing well in this terrain.
Yes, the furrows are perfectly straight. We should be ready for planting by tomorrow.
The Sahara project requires precision and synchronization. These teams plant thousands of seedlings and
Pressure looks good on the west pivot.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal.
In the heart of the Sahara, these vibrant potato shoots represent a triumph of modern industrial agriculture. Utilizing advanced agricultural technology, this machine precisely delivers essential nutrient rows.
Early detection of these whiteflies is crucial to prevent widespread damage to the potato plants.
System check complete. Pressure holds steady.
All propellers secured. Ready for deployment.
As the potato leaves turn yellow, it's a natural sign that the tubers are maturing, even here in the Sahara.
Look at the size of this one right here.
We'll need a bigger crate soon.
Bring that pallet over here.
Okay, setting it down now. Keep the flow moving on the conveyor. I want those full crates moved out immediately and the empties brought in.
Back it up, slow. Slow. Okay, stop. Stop right there.
The convoy pushes onwards, carrying vital supplies deep into the Sahara. This is only the beginning of their 1,000-mile journey. Every day, the distribution network brings fresh potatoes from the farms to the major urban markets, a logistical ballet on the open highway.
Keep it moving, watch the pallet.
We need another 50 bags over here. Clear the bag, clear the bag.
Get this truck unloaded now, we're already behind schedule.
On it, boss. Bay 3, right.
Fresh Roussettes and Reds. 5 pounds, only $3 today. Get them right here.
This gratin is incredibly rich and creamy.
The mash is superb too.
They are all excellent examples of the potato's versatility.
I didn't know potatoes could taste this good. Yeah.
Harnessing technology in the desert, we bring the finest potatoes from the farm through our process directly to your table.